remember, we need to have glove. And then take out all the stones like that. So you should clean the bottle of the oil too, and then spray. Make sure you spray from home the part of the stone, and then outside you spray on the place of the stone as well. For that one, and let it sit about like 5 to 10 seconds, and then I flip over. And I spray. It's very fast. I love this Himalayan Salt Stone because it's clean faster than the regular hot stone. Yeah. Make a little bit sound. Lovely, nice. And we clean the bottle.
We could make one of those ASMR videos out of that. The satisfying, relaxing.
We enjoy with that. And then for that one, make sure you should clean and make it dry really right, because if it still have a little bit product on the stone will get in like some white spot. You can sing a song during your clean.
What do you like to sing, Lucy?
Yeah, I like to sing the happy song. Happy New Year, everyone! Yeah, and then everything is done. Make sure this table is big clean, and that is the magic. Bingo! I'm done.